My name is Patricia Montola Roach, the co-owner and founder of Gilded Roach. 1 year ago, we started Gilded Roach as a small family project. Just a mother and a daughter with a shared obsession for antique and vintage treasures. Our surname, Roach, is a reminder of resilience, adapting, and finding beauty in unexpected places. That spirit is woven into everything we do. At Gilded Roach, we curate antique, vintage, and estate jewelry with stories worth wearing. Pieces shaped by decades, sometimes centuries, of hands, lives, and memories. Our business is built off of 5 things: authenticity, unconventional elegance, quality, storytelling, and empowerment. Our promise is simple: make timeless beauty accessible, dependable, and deeply personal. This past year, we've had the joy of rehoming treasures for collectors, first-time buyers, lovers of sustainability, and anyone drawn to the magic of the past. As we enter year 2, we're excited to take you deeper into antique jewelry, its history, its quirks, and the stories behind the pieces we find. Thank you all for being here at the beginning of our story.